Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by building a focused Upwork profile because clients decide fast. Include a clear photo and a concise overview that speaks to results. Once done, set an hourly or fixed price rate aligned with experience and select 3 core skills to highlight. Make sure to run 5 2-hour test tasks to validate workflow. Then search 10 relevant jobs and save the best 3. This gives you options for tailored proposals and fast first responses. You craft proposals that convert by opening with a 3-line hook focused on the client's outcome. Then explain 2 specific ways you'll solve the problem and close with a concise call to action, such as proposing a 15-minute call. Make sure to attach 1 or 2 relevant samples or a short 30-60-second video intro to build trust quickly. Use Upwork filters to prioritize clients with verified payment and good history. This reduces risk and speeds hiring decisions. You finalize projects by confirming milestones, define exact deliverables, deadlines, and payment steps for fixed-price work. Once underway, give concise daily updates and attach files with clear notes so the client feels in control and you avoid scope creep. Make sure to submit work on time, request feedback, and ask for a 5-star review while offering a short revision window. These actions build your reputation. If issues arise, escalate with evidence and propose a specific remediation plan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.